Great afternoon, students. I am Pooja, your maths educator, and in today's class, we'll learn 6th class maths exercise 1C. In the previous video, I explained you the question number 9 to 14, and now today we start our question number 15. And in this question, the statement is that a man had rupees dash with him. He gave these rupees to his wife and these rupees to his son and the rest of to his daughter. How much money was received by the daughter? So in this question आपको गिवन है कि एक आदमी है, उसके पास इतने रुपए हैं. So we write man had rupees. Man had rupees, that is equal to 1 crore 6 lakh 1 crore 6 lakh 72,540. Now after that he gave to his wife. He gave to his wife. उन रुपयों में से जो उसके पास है उसमें से उसने अपनी वाइफ को दिए रुपीज, दैट इज इक्वल टू 48,36,980. After that he gave to his son rupees, that is equal to 39,64,790. Now he gave to both. इन दोनों को उसने कितने रुपए दिए? We write here he gave to both. Both means दोनों. कौन दोनों? Wife and son. दोनों को कितने रुपए दिए? तो दोनों को प्लस करेंगे. 0, 9 और 8 17, 9 और 7 16, 16 plus 1 17, then 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 1 11, 6 plus 3 9 plus 1 10, 9 plus 8 17 plus 1 18, and 4 3 7 plus 1 8. तो उसने 88,01,770 रुपीज़ अपने दोनों वाइफ और सन को दे दिए. तो अब आपको बताना है कि डॉटर को कितने रुपए मिले. अगेन वी राइट मैन हैड रुपीज. मैन हैड रुपीज, दैट इज इक्वल टू 1 crore 6,72,540. देन ही गेव टू बोथ. He gave to both rupees, that is equal to 88,01,770. तो he gave to daughter. अब जितना रुपया उसके पास था उसमें से जो मनी उसने वाइफ और सन को दे दी है तो उसको माइनस कर देंगे. देन वी गेट द शेयर ऑफ डॉटर. He gave to daughter. He gave to daughter, that is equal to minus करा, then 0 minus 0 0, 14 minus 7 7, 14 minus 7 again 7, 1 minus 1 0, 7, 16 minus 8 8, and 9 minus 8, that is equal to 1. तो जो डॉटर का शेयर है वो है 18,70,770 rupees. This money is got by the daughter. Clear this one? Now we start our next question. Now question number 16. It is given that the cost of a chair is rupees 1485. Then how much will 469 such chair cost? तो आपको यहाँ पर इस क्वेश्चन में 1 चेयर की कॉस्ट गिवन है और आपको फाइंड आउट करनी है 469 चेयर्स की. 469 चेयर्स ज़्यादा हैं. इट मीन्स यू हैव टू फाइंड द मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ 1 चेयर कॉस्ट टू द 469 चेयर कॉस्ट टू फाइंड दिस. सो वी राइट कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 चेयर. cost of one chair is rupees 1485. 1485 is the cost of one chair, and after that you have to find the cost of 469 chairs. Because these chairs are more than one chair, so we have to do the multiplication. So we do 1485 multiplied by 469. And after doing the multiplication, we get 9 5 are 45, then 4 carry, 9 8 are 72, 72 plus 4, that is equal to 76, then 7 carry, 9 4 are 36, 36 plus 7, 43, then 4 carry, 9 1 are 9 plus 4, 30. Now we put here cross, we put here one cross because we do the multiplication of ones place. Now we have to start the multiplier of the tens place, so we start our multiplication from the tens place here. So let us restart. 6 5 are 30, 3 carry, 6 8 are 48, 48 plus 3, that is equal to 51, 5 carry, 6 4 are 24 plus 5, 29, then 2 carry, 6 1 are 6 plus 2, 8. Now the number becomes this, and now we put 2 cross here because we have to do the multiplication of the 100 place. So let us restart. 4 5 are 20, then 2 carry, 4 8 are 32, 32 plus 2, 34, then 3 carry, 4 4 are 16 plus 3, 19, 1 carry, 4 1 are 4 plus 1, 5. Now this is our multiplication, and now we start to do the addition of this number. This number is a 5 here, then 6, then 3 plus 1, 4, 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 4, 16, again 1 carry, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 9, 19, and 5 plus 1, 6. So this is the cost of 469 chairs. So we write 469 chairs cost is rupees this, and this is our answer. Clear this one? Now the question number 18. In question number 17, it is given that how much money was collected from 1786 students of a class for a charity show if each of the students contributed rupees 625. कंट्रीब्यूशन मीन्स कि आप अपना शेयर कलेक्ट कर रहे हैं. तो यहाँ पर भी ईच स्टूडेंट, ईच का मतलब एक स्टूडेंट का कंट्रीब्यूशन है 625 रुपीज़. तो आपको कंट्रीब्यूशन बताना है 1786 स्टूडेंट का. सो यू राइट ईच स्टूडेंट या वन स्टूडेंट कंट्रीब्यूट रुपीज़ 625, then 1786 student contribute rupees, and then you do the multiplication. And may I hope that you do this question yourself. And now the question number 18, it is also same as the question number 16 and 17, and in this question it is given that a factory produce 6,985 screw per day, then how many screws will it produce in 355 days. कंपनी की बताई गई है कि कंपनी 1 डे में इतने स्क्रू प्रोड्यूस कर रही है, तो बताओ 358 डेज में वो कितने स्क्रू प्रोड्यूस करेगी. इट मीन्स दैट वो स्क्रू ज़्यादा प्रोड्यूस करेगी. ज़्यादा का मतलब है कि यू हैव टू डू द मल्टीप्लिकेशन. सो दिस क्वेश्चन ऑल्सो यू हैव टू डू इट योर सेल्फ. Now we start our next question number 19, and in this question it is given that Mr. Bhaskar saves rupees 8,756 every month, then how much money will he save in 13 years. 13 years में उन्होंने कितने रुपए सेव किए. So first of all we write that 1 year that is equal to 12 months. 1 year में 12 months होते हैं. So first we find that how many months in 13 year. So we do the multiplication, and after doing multiplication we get that this number is 13 2 ja 26, 13 1 ja 13 plus 2, 156 months. Now we start our question. In 1 month he saves rupees. In 1 month, he saves rupees, that is equal to 8,756. Now you have to find that in 156 months, this 156 months he saves rupees, that is equal to 8,756 multiplied by 156. And you write here 8756 multiplied by 156. Again we do the multiplication. 6 6 are 36, then 3 carry, 6 5 are 30 plus 3, 33, 6 7 are 42 plus 3, 45, then 4 carry, 6 8 are 48 plus 4, 52. Now the next number is 5 5 6 are 30, then 3 carry, 5 5 are 25 plus 3, 28, 2 carry, 5 7 are 35 plus 2, 37, then 3 carry, 5 8 are 40 plus 3, 43. Now we put two symbols and we do the multiplication by 1, and after doing the multiplication of 1 we get the number 8756. Now we have to add all these numbers. हमें इन सभी numbers को add करना है, and when we add these numbers then we write here 6, then 3, then 8 plus 5 13, 13 plus 6 that is equal to 19, then 7 plus 2 9, 1 10, 10 plus 5 15, then 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 5 15 plus 1 16, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 1 13. So we write in 13 years he saves rupees 13,65,936, and this is our answer. Clear this question? Now we start our next question. Now we start our next question. Next question is question number 20, and in this question it is given that a scooter costs rupees 36,725, then how much will 487 scooters cost is? This question is also same as the question number 16, 17. So in this question you have to write one scooter cost is rupees this. In question number 20 we write one scooter cost rupees, that is equal to 36,725. 36,725. Now you have to find the cost of 487. 487 scooter cost is. Scooter cost is rupees, then you have to do the multiplication. 36,725 multiplied by 487, and after doing the multiplication you get your answer. And I hope that you do this question yourself, and after getting this you write the answer. Now in the next question, an aeroplane covers 1485 kilometer distance in 1 hour. 1 hour means 1 hour में जो एरोप्लेन है वो इतना डिस्टेंस कवर करता है, देन हाउ मच डिस्टेंस विल इट कवर इन 72 आवर्स. तो बताइए वो 72 आवर्स में कितना डिस्टेंस कवर करेगा. दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑल्सो सेम, सो यू राइट हियर इन 1 आवर aeroplane cover distance that is equal to 1480 किलोमीटर. 1 आवर में उसने 1485 किलोमीटर का डिस्टेंस कवर किया है. तो आपको फाइंड आउट करना है कि 72 आवर में, 72 आवर ज़्यादा हो गए तो इतने आवर में वो कितना डिस्टेंस कवर करेगा. तो ज़्यादा आर हैं, मोर आर मीन्स यू हैव टू डू द मल्टीप्लिकेशन. सो यू राइट 1485 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 72 एंड आफ्टर मल्टीप्लाई यू गेट द आंसर इन किलोमीटर एंड दिस इज योर आंसर. Now this question is clear to all of you and I hope that you do this multiplication yourself. Now the next question number 22, we start this question. Now in question number 22, the statement is that the product of two numbers is 1,34,21,408 and if one of the number is 364 then find the other number. So in this question, first of all you write product of two numbers. Product of two numbers that is equal to 1,34,21,408. Then one number is equal to 364. Then other number, you have to find the other number, and to find the other number you write product of two numbers that is 1,34,21,408 divided by 364. तो आप यहाँ पर इस नंबर को डिवाइड करेंगे. सो वी स्टार्ट टू डिवाइड हियर 1,34,21,408 बाय 364. 364 से डिवाइड किया तो हमारा जो टेबल है स्टार्टिंग में हमने ये देखा दैट वी हैव द 3 डिजिट नंबर एंड हियर द 3 डिजिट नंबर इज 134. इट इज लेस देन दिस नंबर, सो वी टेक द 4 डिजिट नंबर एंड 4 डिजिट नंबर पे हम चेक करेंगे कि हमारा टेबल कहाँ पर जा रहा है. 4 3 जा 12 but here is 13. So when we take any carry then this number is greater than this number, so we divide the number by 3. 3 से divide करेंगे then we get 3 4 जा 12, 3 6 जा 18 plus 1 19, then 3 3 जा 9 plus 1 10. Now the remainder is 14 minus 9 that is equal to 5, then here is 2. Now we take 1 is here, then we have to divide the number by 6 because 7 3 जा 21 but 7 6 जा 42. 4 carry आने के बाद the number is greater than this number, so we divide this number by 6. 6 4 जा 24, then 2 carry, 6 6 जा 36 plus 2 38, then 3 carry, 6 3 जा 18, 18 plus 3 that is equal to 21. Now our remainder is 11 minus 4 that is equal to 7, 9 minus 8 that is equal to 1, 4 minus 1 that is equal to 3. Now our next number is 4. Now we have to check that on which number our number goes. 8 3 जा 24, 9 3 जा 27 but 9 6 जा 54, 54 5 ऐड करेंगे 27 में then the number is greater than this number. So we डिवाइड द नंबर बाय 8. 8 से हम डिवाइड करेंगे. जब हम 8 से डिवाइड करेंगे देन वी गेट 8 4 जा 32, 3 कैरी, 8 6 जा 48 प्लस 3 51, देन 5 कैरी, 8 3 जा 24 प्लस 5 that is equal to 29. So we write it here, and after subtracting we get 4 minus 2 that is equal to 2, 7 minus 1 that is equal to 6, 11 minus 9 that is equal to 2. Again we take 0 here, and now we see that our number goes up to 7. 7 4 ja 28, then 2 carry, 7 6 ja 42, 42 plus 2 that is equal to 44, then 4 carry, then 7 3 ja 21 plus 4 25. Now after subtracting you get that the number is 10 minus 8 2, 11 minus 4 that is equal to 7, and 72. Now we take one number from here. 728 number is now this number is divided by 2, that is 2 4 ja 8, 2 6 ja 12, 2 3 ja 6 plus 1 7, and in the last our remainder is 0. Now after doing the division we find that our other number जो हमारा quotient आएगा, that this quotient is our other number. So we write here other number is 36,872. Now this is our answer. Clear this question? Now we do the other questions in our next video. Till then, bye everyone.